Hi there, this is the default WordPress login page, and here I'm going to show you how you can protect this login page with the help of hCaptcha. So let's get started. All I have to do is go ahead to my WordPress dashboard, hover on the Swift Commerce and click on the link so I can open up the Swift Commerce dashboard in the new tab. Right here, what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on the spam and click on reCAPTCHA. Now here all I have to do is enable the feature, and I'll see that the CAPTCHA provider is showing me Google reCAPTCHA, and from this provider I have to click on hCaptcha. Now in order to activate the hCaptcha, all I need is site key and secret key. These two keys can be taken from hCaptcha website for free. So I'm going to take those keys and paste them right here. Now here all I have to do is go ahead and click on save changes, and once I click on save changes, the hCaptcha configuration is saved. The next step for me is that I want to make sure that where it appears on the pages of my website. So right now what I'm going to do is I'm going to disable all the other options and just leave it on WordPress login page. I'll click on save changes, and once the changes are saved, I'll go ahead to the login page again. I've opened this in the private tab, and the moment I refresh, I'll be able to see the hCaptcha verification. Now this page is protected by hCaptcha. Your website is safe from bots and bad actors. And that's how easy it is to add hCaptcha protection to your WordPress website with the help of using Swift Commerce.